Your iPhone has built-in tools to set limits for how much time you're allowed to spend using different apps on your phone. Here's how to do it. First, we'll go to Settings and scroll down to Screen Time. In the Limit Usage section, there's a few different ways to limit phone use. On the very top, you'll see a feature called Downtime. This is basically a scheduled lockdown mode where most apps are blocked, notifications are silenced, and only phone calls and apps that you explicitly allow can be used. Downtime can be scheduled for every day, or just for specific days. To choose which apps are allowed during downtime, you'll go one step back to your main screen time menu and then tap Always Allowed. Here you can choose which apps are always allowed, even during downtime. If you only want to limit the use of specific apps, the App Limits feature is perfect for that. This allows you to add a time limit for a category of apps like all social media apps, and then choose how much time you're allowed to spend each day using the apps in this category. Or if you'd like to set limits for a specific app instead of using a group, you can tap this little arrow next to a group to reveal what's included, and then choose an individual app for your time limit. When the time is up, you'll get a notification 5 minutes before, and then another one when time is up. You can add as many limits as you'd like, either for categories, individual apps, or even for websites. One thing to note is that the app limits are easy to bypass, and your phone will offer you an option to keep using the app longer if you'd like to. You could think of these as a gentle reminder to stop using your apps, but your iPhone won't forcefully lock you out. If you have kids and want to set some strict limits, you're better off using the parental controls for that. And that's how you limit your app usage on an iPhone. Click that like button if this helped, and check out my iOS playlist for more easy and quick guides like this.